of the person that you're standing next to. There's just no way I can do that.
14.
Row 2, right here. Remember what row you're in and remember your number.
Yep. 15. One more. Here.
Row 3, right here.
It'll be amazing. Steve is scaring us. Can't wait. An unanticipated risk, which could result in physical or emotional injury, paralysis, death, or damage to you, your property, or to third parties. Understand that such risks simply cannot be eliminated without jeopardizing the essential qualities of this activity. How did I do?
So I'm thinking 3, 4 strokes from each of you.
All in sync.
We hold our kayak out in front of us, and the person that's going to be in the bow seat, Lee, down here with the yellow hat, she's going to set the pace.
No, actually just leave it right on in front of you and let the other folks paddle.
As soon as I turn the radio on the car, weather warnings.
I know, everybody has to use the kayak to save themselves.
Stand in front of you.
They say short paddle. Short paddle, no PP. Short paddle, long.
Sorry? Everybody wave to the camera. So, how'd you get that front seat again?
I work both for the Outdoor Discovery Schools and I also work for Product Support Services, and I sell a whole bunch of these boats. And thanks to the guys who picked them, they said let's put Lee in the front seat because she knows how to paddle.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. How about yourself, sir? What do you think of this whole experience?
This is going to be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
More ways than one.
Everybody looks really good. Wave to the camera, everybody. Yeah.
This is my first tandem experience. Go big or go home. Thumbs up. Woohoo! Part of history.
What do you think, bud?
I think it's really cool that there's a really long kayak. Hey, how are you?
No lines, no reading.
Want to give us a big smile, big wave?
Yeah.
So how do you feel about this whole experience?
I'll tell you in a couple minutes.
I got 2 seats and I got the rope seat. Well, the rope seat on and the rope seat.
Hey, how's it going?
How you doing?
Seats do I have? I got 3 seats. 2.
How'd you get it? Oh, sure.
Wave the camera, everybody. Wave. You got a big smile. Why don't you tell us what you're doing here today?
Having fun.
World record.
Woohoo!
I have.
Okay.
Okay.
I can fill one if you need one filled.
All right.
Nope. Okay.